In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a site to specific users using Google Sites. If you're building an internal site for your team, a class portal, or a client preview page, you might not want it open to the entire web. I'll show you how to publish your site while limiting access to only the people you choose. First, go to your Google site. Open the site in the editor so you can make changes. Make sure you're looking at the version you want to share, because publishing makes that version available to your audience. If you're working with multiple pages, double-check navigation and any embedded content. Whatever you see here is what your selected viewers will see once it's published. Next, click Publish in the upper right corner. This opens the publishing dialog where you control visibility settings. Think of this as the switchboard for who gets to view your live site. You'll also see the web address your site will use after it's published. You don't need to change that for restricted access to work, but it's good to note where your audience will go. In that same dialog, click Manage to adjust who can view the published site. This takes you to the access controls. Choose the specific people or groups you want by adding their accounts and ensuring they're set as viewers. Limiting access to named individuals prevents the site from being discoverable by anyone else. If your organization uses work accounts, add those rather than personal addresses to avoid signing conflicts. You can update this list anytime. Removing someone here immediately revokes their access to the published version. Once your audience is set in Manage, return to the publishing dialog and confirm your changes. From now on, only the people you selected will be able to open the live site. If someone reports they can't see it, have them sign in with the account you added and refresh the page. You can always come back to Publish and Manage to add or remove viewers as your project evolves. Recipients will be prompted to sign in before they can view, and the site won't be indexed for public search when access is restricted. If you later widen your audience, return to the same controls and expand the list instead of republishing from scratch. That's it. You've opened your Google site to exactly the right people without exposing it publicly. If this was helpful, save these steps for later and keep building with confidence.